A factor tree is just a visual tool that we use to organize the different factors for a number. So a factor being a number that divides evenly into another number, and a tree, yep, you guessed it, a large woody plant with a trunk, leaves, and root system. We're going to concern ourselves mostly with the root system of the tree because that's going to be the closest visual comparison to what we're going to be doing. So let's try factoring down 392. Well, the first thing we're going to do is draw a couple of roots, similar to the ones that we find below a tree, if you have creative imagination anyhow. So 392 divided by 2 is going to give us 196. So we know 2 is a prime number, and we can finish ourselves with that. But 196 we can still factor down even further. So we'll draw a few more roots below that number, and 196 divided by 2 is going to give us 98. So again, 2 being prime, we can finish with that, but we'll factor down 98 a little more. So we'll draw some more tree roots and divide 98 by 2, which will give us 49. So 2 we're done with. 49 we can divide even further. So we'll draw some roots, and 7 times 7 will give us 49. So now we have all of our prime factors all here. Now, we don't always have to use divide by prime numbers in order for the factor tree to work. We can just divide with any number we want. So let's start again with 392. And we'll draw some roots and put 2 numbers down that factor into 392, like 8 and 49. Now both 8 and 49 can be factored down even further. So let's start with 8. 2 factors of 8 would be 4 and 2. So 4 we can factor down even further, but 2 is a prime number, so we'll leave that one alone. Now we're going to quickly go over to the 49 and factor that down. So 2 factors of 49, 7 and 7, both prime numbers, we can leave them alone. So let's go back to the 4 and work with that a little bit more. 4, 2 factors of 4 are 2 and 2, both prime numbers. So here at the bottom of our root system we have all our prime numbers right there.